Before we start today's video, let me ask you a question. Do you like streaming videos? What if I tell you there is a way where you can earn money by watching the videos all day? This will permit you to earn $220 per day without any investment. The first thing you need to do is go to youtube.com, where you will be paid to watch videos on YouTube just like these people. These people are making real money and getting paid for every video they watch. What's even better is that it doesn't require any special skills. Anyone can do this. Now to access youtube.com, log in. The Explore button will show up on the page's left side. Next, we click on Gaming. The next step is for you to choose any one of these games. It doesn't matter which one you pick as long as it is well liked and popular because the gaming industry is so vast. What we'll do is show us the gaming related videos that are performing particularly well and are receiving a lot of views. You can't go wrong with any game you select, and once you do, you can find specific videos under that game that all have a lot of viewers and are growing over time. Let's move on to the second website we'll be using today to get paid. Its name is 7r6.com. It's a place where you can earn money by shortening the links to particular videos, as you can see. To get started, you must first create an account. Then, you can shorten links to any website and earn money whenever someone clicks one of those links, not just YouTube video links. To register for a free account on this website, click any link, but they will first be sent to an external page where they will see advertisements before being redirected to the target site. Using this strategy, the website generates revenue through advertising, similar to how YouTube generates revenue, and the ad money is split between you and the platform itself. Let's go to the top right corner of the page and click the Sign Up button. This will take you to a page where you must enter your username, email address, and password to register, and if you concur, tick this box before pressing the Register button. Once you log in, you will be sent to your account dashboard where you can monitor the total views, total profits, referral earnings, and average cost per 1,000 views. To shorten the URL, click on the new shorten link. However, first, go to YouTube and choose a video you like that has a lot of views. We'll use this one. Next, copy the URL link to the video and paste it into this box. Finally, click on Shorten to get the new URL to the video. Here is a bonus tip for using this method to earn more money: concentrate on live videos. I promise you'll get better results and earn more money this way. The next step is to open any of these videos, like this one, to get the video URL. To do this, just click on the share over here. As you can see, thousands of people are watching these videos right now, which indicates that they are popular. Simply click on Live here to have YouTube only display live streaming videos. Keep in mind that shortening as many links as we can to different videos will allow us to earn more money. If you're wondering how the hell I'm going to get that much traffic to my links, let me show you in the next minute how you can get a high click-through rate. Let me share with you the sneaky ninja techniques you can use to get a ton of people to click on your links. We will use this website called Steam. There are collections of all the top user-generated and official game content on this forum user rating according to similar websites. The site has millions of visitors each month and has hundreds of entries about numerous games. The number of clicks you might get on your links depends on how many different games are discussed on the website and how much traffic it receives. These two factors combine to make it a valuable traffic source for us. The first step on this website is to create an account. All you need to do is enter your email address and place of residence. After that, all that's left to do is create a post on the website where you can share your shortened links and start receiving clicks. Imagine how simple it is to make money online. All you have to do is sit back and wait for thousands of gamers and internet users to click your link. The second website we can use to share our links is called moot.us. Take a look at all these games featured on this platform. The list is just so extensive and chances are high that your post will go viral. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.